Hi everybody, I'm here for a special video. As you can see, this is my mystery unboxing from the Foxy Fix sale that they had. I can never get these things off, so all I have done is cut the bag, and let's pull everything out. Oh, here, let me get the invoice first out of the way. Now, everything else. So, by the time I got to the sale, I had totally forgotten about it. Oh, what's that? And all that was left was micros, and I wanted to try a different micro since I only have one. I have the spice in the pepper, the black one, and it's a really beautiful notebook. So the first thing I got is one of these tall pockets, what looks like for a standard Midori. One of their adhesive pockets, and it's got two of their business cards, and yeah, it's an adhesive pocket. Huh, I didn't order that. So there's that. I guess they were throwing in some extra things. I remember them saying something about that. Now I'm trying to remember what leather this is. Okay, now this, let me get the plastic out of the way. This big round thing is the Wanderlust leather in the, what color is that? It's brown. Chic Sparrow calls it the, it's a big taco. Chic Sparrow calls it dark chocolate. Espresso, that's right. Foxy Fix calls it espresso. It's such a beautiful leather. It smells amazing. This is one of their mouse pads. Very, very cool. This actually is something I think I will give the husband to use at work. What better than a beautiful piece of this leather? Now, this is what I got. This is a micro. It has stitch. Oh, it feels like it might have pockets of some sort. This is a micro in the. It looks to be the. No, the Boss Babe. I can't remember the name of that leather color. I don't see what's wrong with it. Oh, what? Someone down below, if you know what this is, what color this is, it's that Boss Babe leather. I think it's Boss Babe. That is kind of creamy, browny, whitey. It's not as brown as the cookie in the sugar. It's the other, and it's got what looks like to be like the yellow elastic, and I can't tell. That might be a brown stitching, and this is what the pockets look like. Maybe that's why it's here. I mean, if you look at it, the stitching looks beautiful. The pockets are lined up really nice. It's, you know, beautiful little notebook that you would be great to use as a wallet. I know it's not the sugar leather, because this notebook that I have right here is the sugar leather. This is what I got in the last mystery sale. Sorry to hear the little jingles, little Seamuses go into the other room. This is the sugar leather, and this is the blueberry. I'll show you something that I did last night. I was having fun. I was watching some Winnie the Pooh. And look, this is what I did. So this is my, I've been using this for my art journal. It's one of those, is it a perfect fit cover? I don't know. It's from A5, and it was in the last sale that I was having fun with some Winnie the Pooh stuff. Anyways, so that is what I got in my, it's a beautiful leather. It's a single elastic. I guess they call it the single couture, and you can get pockets on them. But I don't see anything that's wrong with it. I might do a little bit of trimming. I mean, that's the only thing I can see is... But this leather, that Boss Babe leather, does have a tendency to fray just a little bit because of the... I don't know what you call that, the underside of the leather. It's... What is this, a top grain leather, not a full grain leather? I forget the terminology. It's like that, you know, a nice leather that a beautiful handbag or something would be made out of. So there you go. This is what I ordered, and these were the little extras that I got. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can, and I will link Foxy Fix so you can find out more information about their stuff. And there you go. Bye-bye.